Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Monday morning for me. It might not be Monday morning for you, but it is Monday morning and I'm getting motivated. I am going to have my coffee, do a little light workout, and then I am going to do some cleaning, some home decor, and some shopping at Winners. So if you guys would like to see that, then just keep watching. Alright, I came to Winners to look around. They have a winter clearance sale going on right now, so there are lots of good finds here. They got a lot of nice, new, cute spring and summer shoes and runners in. It's still far too cold to wear them, but it's always nice to see all the winter boots going and all the spring stuff coming in. I saw these leggings and they totally remind me of the leopard print skirts that have been popular for the last little while. I feel like this is the time of year when you just kind of want to have fresh, new decor in your home. The days are getting longer and you're done with Christmas. and you just want to find something new. So I was looking through all the house wear just to find some new things, and I picked up a few things, so I will show you them at home. So I picked up these jeans by Zara at Winners, and once they are ironed, I will show them to you in a different video, along with these boots by Vagabond. So I went back to Winners again because there was a picture there that I had really liked and it was on clearance for $25. So I went back and got it and then just switched it up in my dining room to give it a fresh look. I've had the same picture there forever, so I really wanted to switch it up. And that is the new end table and the new curtains and my beautiful little puppies. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video.